Pay cuts and zero increments. Yes, this is the first situation that we have picked up for our difficult conversations in practice video series. Hi, I am Jayashree from the Sounding Board team. In today's video, a team member Manoj initiates a dialogue with his manager Priya to voice his concerns over pay cuts and zero increment announcements. You would see two takes on this situation. Take 1 brings out the challenges that surface when the manager just goes with the flow. While in take 2, the manager attempts to address these challenges by being mindful and empathic towards the team member. Here is take 1.
Hi Manoj, you wanted to talk? What happened?
Yeah, hi Priya. Yes, I wanted to talk. Actually, this is in reference to the announcement that we had about the salary cut and no increment. So I was very
Yeah,
concerned.
I understand Manoj, but what to do? I mean, everyone is facing the same situation, just like you, right? I mean, you
Yeah,
know what the situation is out there. We can't really do much here right now. I
yeah.
hope you understand.
I know, but my parents are already not keeping very well, Priya, and with work from home, there are so many other things, so many responsibilities immediately that have come over me, and I don't know. I'm just worried. Uh, Today, this is salary cut. I don't know if next thing is going to be my job. I have financial commitments. I have
Manoj,
parents.
please stop overreacting. Yeah, I mean, it's an org decision. You know how organizations work. Is there any announcement of a job cut?
Uh, no, but not
Nah,
today,
so
but
you
maybe
need
tomorrow. I don't know.
you need to stop panicking. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I'm trying to, but I just can't get over this. It is running at the back of my head all the time. I'm scared. I was telling you the other day, my friend has lost his job, and um, he was a performer, and now suddenly he's asked to go. So much of this thing is happening all around. I don't know what is in store. So
I
I just yeah.
I I understand your fear, Manoj. I really do, but fearing something like this is not going to help you. You know, I mean, if you keep thinking your job will go, and you don't focus on your work, then your job really might go because it will impact your output.
Yeah.
So you need to stop focusing on all these negative things and just focus on your job, focus on doing what you need to do at the moment. And जो होगा कल देखा जाएगा. That's the way we have to be right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
I'll try.
stay
Yeah.
positive. Yeah, okay, you good. So you stay positive, believe that everything will be all right, and everything really will be all right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sounds familiar? Let's hear Priya and Manoj on how they felt about this conversation.
I understand that he's scared, but hello, so is everyone. Thinking negatively is not going to help him. He really needs to calm himself down, pray, meditate, do whatever. I am tense now after talking to him.
I felt she wasn't understanding my fear and kept saying, don't do this, don't do that. She couldn't answer my question or make me feel relaxed. At one point, I felt scared that she's actually telling me indirectly that if I don't do my job well, I'll be asked to leave. So I'm still very scared.
Now, in take 2, let's see a different way to lead this conversation.
Hi Manoj, I understand you wanted to talk to me about something.
Yeah, hi Priya. Yes, I wanted to talk to you about the announcement which came
Mhm.
in earlier today about the salary cut and no increment. So I saw the email and I got really concerned. So I thought I'll
Okay.
speak with you because I didn't know what to do.
Okay. No, I see that you are very concerned and upset about what is happening. It's important that I understand what exactly is going on in your mind. So apart from this announcement, is there anything else that is bothering you, or if you could feel free to tell me about it?
Yeah, see, Priya, with the COVID situation, things were already getting difficult. With work from home, there are so many responsibilities, and then my parents are also not well. I have huge financial commitments, and I, honestly speaking, I'll not be able to survive if if I lose my job, and that is what is scaring me. I'm worried about losing my job. Today, it's the announcement on salary cuts and no increment. I don't know if tomorrow you will come and say that you don't need me anymore. Is that what organization is planning?
Firstly, Manoj, thank you very much for sharing your anxieties with me. I understand where this is coming from, because we are all seeing a very unprecedented time, and what is going on around is something that no one expected or has seen before. So I can understand why. If you could just take a pause now and hear me out. You see, we are all doing what's the most important thing to do now. So for business continuity, I hope you understand salary cuts and no increments are important. Sure, that our employees are well taken care of and covered. Times are uncertain, to be honest, and
Priya,
no amount of protection will be served. Yeah.
yeah, no, I'm really scared, Priya. My friend very recently lost his job. He was a performer doing well, and all of a sudden he was asked to leave. So it's very frightening. Am I also going to lose my job?
Mhm. I'm really sorry to hear about your friend's situation, and that is very unsettling because it's happened. See, the way I'm looking at the business right now, Manoj, I don't foresee this eventuality. This situation is new for all of us, and we are taking one day at a time. And my sincere request to you is to do the same. Your fears are understandable, and I am here to support you in every possible way. So if you need to talk, or you feel that you are not able to work, I am there to help you out. I will guide you wherever possible. So let's do whatever we can that's in our control. Yeah. Does that sound okay?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, does thank you for hearing me out, Priya. Okay.
So feel free to connect with me if in future you still feel worried. Do is stay calm, do a great job, and I'm there. So
Okay.
just connect with me if you need. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that. Thank you for hearing me out.